Angel Sounds Fetal Doppler. Pregnancy is a very exciting period, but in many cases also an anxious one. The time between scheduled ultrasounds can seem far too long for those seeking regular reassurance. This is why Angel Sounds created the Baby Fetal Doppler Baby Heart Monitor, a personal Doppler device conveniently monitored by a mobile phone app. Whenever you feel a little concerned or even just curious, you can check in on your baby's heartbeat. When it comes to any kind of medical device, safety comes first. Here you can see that the fetal Doppler is registered and approved by the Australian Government Department of Health, which is extremely important and gives you peace of mind knowing that it is completely harmless. Before we begin demonstrating how the device works, we have to stress one point, and that is, this device is by no means a substitution for professional medical exams. So continue your regular checkups and always consult your doctor if you have any concerns about your health or pregnancy. Once you open the box, you will find the heartbeat Doppler and probe. Unlike ultrasound machines, which use powerful probes up to 10 MHz at higher output levels, a fetal Doppler uses a 3 MHz probe at a much lower output level. For this reason, fetal Dopplers are unable to detect a heartbeat before 8 weeks, and usually not before 10 to 12 weeks. The fetal heart detector is designed to work from 16 weeks of pregnancy. Don't get nervous if you can't hear anything. As quickly as other users, every pregnancy is different. The lightweight Doppler is completely portable and comes with a 9-volt battery, so you can even take it with you traveling. It has a 10-hour operation time, as well as a handy feature such as the automatic power off if you accidentally leave it on, and a battery status indicator. Along with the Doppler and probe, you will also receive a recording cable so that you can record your baby's heartbeat, hiccups and kicks directly on your smartphone and save them as a precious keepsake to replay, send or even share on social media. For instructions on how to sync the device to your smartphone, consult the included instruction manual and download a guide for the Angel Sounds app for iOS and Android phones. The app provides recording and playback options as well as useful information and tips regarding pregnancy. This Doppler has a built-in speaker with volume control as well as an earphone socket. While you are searching for a heartbeat, it's best to turn the sound up and gradually so you aren't unexpectedly startled by any loud sounds. Now for the fun part, using the Doppler to hear your baby. In the box, you'll find a 15-gram sample of Doppler gel to get you started. We recommend that you find a non-irritating cream or aloe vera gel, lotion or even baby oil for ongoing use. One of the added benefits is that you can moisturize and help to prevent stretch marks while you're using the Doppler. Place a bit of lotion on your stomach and begin searching the area with the probe. Start lightly above your pubic hairline and make sure the probe is in direct contact with your skin. If you hear something, try tilting it. You will find the best angle. Whether you simply like to listen or you decide to record the audio file on your smartphone, with a bit of practice you will find the device to be exceptionally heartwarming and fun. You might even want to see if the baby responds to different voices, older siblings, or even genres of music. The Angel Sounds Baby Fetal Doppler is a fantastic innovation that will allow you to enjoy reassurance and hear your baby easily in the comfort of your own home. Introduce one to your prenatal kit and you'll never have to miss a beat.